Okay, students, today we are going to discuss about the operation rolling. Rolling is the process of making the reducing the diameter of the any job with the help of the roller. Change in grain structure of the rolling. Ingot is the normal angle of contact or bite. The meta contact each of the resolving horizontal component forces. Friction in rolling, it depends upon the lubrication, work material, and also the temperature. In cold rolling, iron from the short ingot, blossom, billet, slab, which are further rolled into the ingot, bloom, billet, then bar shape. As per our requirement, we can make use of this. So, ingot, we can get the various operations. Ingot is nothing but a bar. Bar means slab, blossom. So roller sheets also we can utilize from the ingot. Stage 1, stage 2, various shape rolling. Shape rolling operation as per our requirement we can make use of. Flat rolling. So the depending upon our requirement of the diameter of the force, we can reduce the size. 2 high rolling mill, 3 high rolling mill, 4 high rolling mill, multi-roll rolling mill. Rolling mill classification. 2 high rolling mills in single direction, 2 high rolling mill both the directions. Successive reduction. 3 roll with a constant direction of rotation or arranged in single lift using table. The bending of the roller is less. Rolling mills classification. Multi-roller mill. Cluster mill. Multiple roller are used to make use of the wire or rod. Sandizer mill. Modified cluster for thin sheet or manufactured with the help of this. So the slide is showing various type of rolling mill used. Various parts are utilized with the as per our requirement we can make use of the rolling die. Rolling mill classification: universal rolling mill, both horizontal and vertical. Vertical rolls are mounted in either one direction or two direction. Universal rolling mill, horizontal roller, vertical roller. So various channels are produced with the help of this universal rolling mill. Planetary roll mill. Rolling mill classification. Planetary rolling mill consists of here. So depending upon the reduction, we can adjust the roller gap. Continuous rolling mill. So further continuous reduction. A shape rolling operation. Various shapes can be produced straight and the ring rolling. Ring is expanded into a large diameter ring with a reduced cross section. So ring is placed. So the schematic diagram shows about the various method of operation on the rolling mill. Ring rolling applications: ball and collar bearings, erasers, steel tires, thread rolling, thread forming method. Thread rolling in the cold forming process by which straight and tapered threads are formed. Thread making process: here with loss of material we can prepare the thread. So the diagram shows about the thread making process. The seamless tube manufacturing also used with the rolling operation. Rotary tube piercing, the billet piercing, the shell elongation. So the schematic diagram shows the various operations that we can done for the various piercing operation. So the diagram is still understandable for easy piercing operation work. Tube manufacturing process. So the diagram indicates the various method of tube manufacturing process. So hot rolling result in reducible stresses. Scaling is major. Rolling defect, surface defect, internal structural defect, surface defect, defects such as wavy edges. Zipper crack. These are also caused due to the bending of the roll. Edge crack due to the non-uniform deformation of metal and the width. Drawing. The concept of drawing involves the pulling wire rod bar through a die. So large quantities of wire rod tubes and other sections are drawing with the drawing operation. Improved size and section, cool drawing properties, bar drawing, wire drawing, small diameter, less than 0.01 mm. Defect drawing practices and product. Drawing usually performed as cold working, hard dose drawing work. Heavy rods are manufactured with the hot operation. Simple explanation of drawing process. Drawing operation process is shown in the diagrammatic view. Because of the combined effect, the pulling force of drawing force is less than the as required. Then wire drawing. Wire drawing involves the stroke that can be easily draw the wire at various rotation method. Fine wire drawing, ultra fine wire drawing. So depending upon the size of the wire we needed. Bar drawing is the bar drawing is the relation area usually restricted. Tube produced by extrusion or other process such as shape rolling. All the tubes can be reduced in the tube drawing is also similar to the wire drawing except that mandrel appropriate diameter. Floating plug drawing. So these are all used to heavy lengthy rods, manufacture the lengthy rod. Moving mandrel drawing. Advantages. The process that mandrel defines. Also, it is also known as the semi-floating mandrel drawing is a mixture between preparation of work for wire bar drawing, annealing, and increase the ductility of the stroke. Cleaning, pointing, or the some of the operations that they are take consideration in the bar drawing. Proper lubrication is important in drawing operation. Bed drawing, metal coating, etc. So with this, we are going to conclude the drawing operation method. So next class, we will go further various operation method utilized in the manufacturing industries. If you have any doubt, you can raise your questions. Okay, shall we conclude? If you have any doubt, you can raise. 5.7